Japan right now, and you saw in the last video I was in Zagreb, Croatia, doing a day of my life. I'm in Okinawa, Japan. It's in the southern part of Japan. It's kind of known as like the Hawaii of Japan, so I'll be going around the island, just kind of checking out the areas and just kind of seeing what the island's all about. I've been here for a couple weeks, but I've been just chilling, so hopefully this vlog or this kind of day is just gonna represent that chill atmosphere that I've been having. So as you saw, we were just in this Lawson here, just kind of like the convenience stores. I'm gonna just do a separate video another time, but my cousin's gonna take me to a beach here in Okinawa, and hopefully I'll be able to get some good shots and show you all around. So let's go. So we made it to Cape Zanpa Lighthouse, and I'm here with my cousin. I'll introduce her in a little bit. Maybe you saw her in that last clip, but I'm in Okinawa, just kind of looking at the scenery, taking it all in. I'm here at the lighthouse, and we're gonna check out this area, walk around. It seems like a very nice area for like a date spot, so not on a date right now, but I see a lot of couples, so I'll show you guys all around this area. Yeah, we're going to the very top here, check out the view. Maybe you can see what it looks like from the top of this lighthouse. A little more. Whoa. Alright, we're at the very top here. But yeah, you can see everything from up here. You can see like the waves crashing. It's about 300 yen to get to the top, so not a bad deal, about like $2. So, oof. Yeah, we're kind of high up right now. Yuka and I were just walking through the park, and we're gonna fly the drone right now. There's no one around. It seems like a very peaceful park, so hopefully there's some good scenery. Alright, let's fly. You want to look first? You can look first. Cool. I want taco rice. Yota, look, it's a banana boat. We just finished walking at that park. It started to rain, so we just ended up leaving, and we met some Korean people who thought my drone was pretty cool. And so now we're about to eat some late lunch. Okay, we're at Okashi Futen. Probably butchering their name again, but we're gonna get some taco rice. This place is nice. It would have a nice view, but unfortunately the weather's super cloudy today, so you can't really see anything. I think the food's pretty good. At least that's what was recommended to me. So we're gonna try the food out, and then this is like an Okinawan staple here, so I'll give you all a good review. Taco rice, miso soup, salsa. Alright, so this is like a very typical Okinawan dish here, I think, and it's basically just like a burrito bowl. So also I'm kind of missing like chipotle, and this is the closest thing I can get to chipotle. The reason why I'm not showing my cousin anymore is because I'm gonna hide her face. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll show her face and reveal it. Alright, so let's get this video to 100 likes. But right now, just dig into this food, and then I'll show you all around this area because it's like a resort type area, kind of like Hawaii, so maybe you all like seeing it. And then there's like a store at the bottom where you can get like snacks only from Okinawa, so I'll show you all that too. So right now I'm just gonna dig in. Alright. They actually had like all of these like at that restaurant here, all these like snacks. Alright, so we're gonna try some and then take it back to the car. Back to the car. Now we're gonna try these snacks. All right, these are the two that we got. But yeah, no, I think this is like purple yam. I just broke it all, so it doesn't actually look that good, but this is the purple yam I was talking about. Comes with chocolate cake. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It's not too sweet, so that's nice. Good? Oh, it's the same? So like both of those were like 800 yen, $6 US, give or take. So a pretty good deal, I'd say. And then that lunch was only 1800, 1900 yen, which is also just like, oh, it's like $11, $12, right? No, that's not right. $13?
Lunch?
Yeah, $13, right?
20.
No way. It was only 1900 yen. It's about like $16, $17, which is pretty good for two people, so. Gives you a sense of the idea of how much things cost here. But yeah, just finished this dessert. We're gonna head back, drive back, and probably go work out, so continue with me. But I'm kind of making these videos just to show you all like a little bit about Okinawa and to show you like what it's like here and how much things cost and what to do, because I feel like Okinawa, honestly, I wouldn't have known what it is unless my uncle wasn't married to someone who is from here. So hopefully I'll be able to show you all around what Okinawa is like for the next couple weeks that I'm here. So we're gonna drive back and head to the gym. Alright, so I made it back home. So I'm staying actually with my cousin's family, so I don't think I actually made that clear at all. But we ended up not going to the gym just yet. I forgot that I do have to do an English lesson. I've been teaching my cousin's family English, so I have to prepare a little bit for that little presentation. Then I'll probably go to the gym. Oh, wait, what? Alright, so I just finished the lesson with the Toma family. Basically, I ended the lesson way too late, so I had no option of going to the gym. So instead, I did like the complete opposite. As you can see, we're at McDonald's here. And I'm gonna work here. I need to do some editing. I'm here with my other cousin, Yota. He might be introduced in another video in the future.
Hi, my name is Yota. I study SPI.
Look forward to that video soon. But right now, we're just gonna study. I only have 40% of my computer, and I'm just praying that it'll last me like an hour or two. We're gonna finish here, and that's gonna be the end of my day. Hopefully you all got a sense of what Okinawa is like, and you'll definitely see a lot more in the future. So look forward to that, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye.